The Sony Watchman, launched in 1982, marked a turning point in personal entertainment. With its compact design and battery-powered capabilities, it was the first truly portable TV, revolutionizing how we consume media on the go. Building on this innovation, the Tandy TRS 80 Model 100 debuted in 1983 as one of the first notebook-style computers. Its portability and remarkable battery life made it especially popular among journalists, allowing them to work efficiently anywhere. Transitioning to gaming, the Atari Lynx, released in 1989, was a trailblazer as the first handheld console with a color display. Its advanced graphics and engaging gameplay captivated gamers seeking an experience beyond traditional monochrome devices. The Sony Mava, introduced in 1981, took digital photography to new heights as the first electronic still video camera. Utilizing removable floppy disks for storage and transfer, it represented a significant advancement in capturing life's moments. In that same innovative spirit, the Seiko TV Watch, launched in 1982, enabled users to watch television directly from their wrists. This gadget epitomized cutting-edge technology of the 1980s and inspired the imagination of many tech enthusiasts. Following suit, the Sharp Wizard series emerged in 1989, revolutionizing personal computing. These portable devices functioned like personal assistants, making technology more accessible and practical for everyday users. Among these innovations, the Sharp IQ 7200 stood out as an early electronic organizer. With features like a calendar and multi-time zone clocks, its memory capacity of 64K was groundbreaking, especially appealing to tech-savvy individuals. Moreover, the Vectrex introduced a distinctive arcade experience at home. Its built-in screen and vector display technology provided immersive gameplay, showcasing graphics that were remarkably advanced for its time. Another notable device was the Grid Compass 111, a pioneer in portable computing. Its innovative clamshell design and robust features significantly influenced the development of future devices, including tablet PCs. The Polaroid Spectre camera, released in 1986, transformed instant photography. By allowing users to instantly capture and print moments, it embodied the era's craving for immediate gratification. Earlier, Texas Instruments' Speaking Spell, launched in 1978, captivated children and parents alike. It offered an engaging approach to learning spelling through its synthetic voice and interactive design. Similarly, the Magnavox Odyssey 2, introduced in 1978, democratized video gaming. With affordable gameplay and unique features like a keyboard, it encouraged families to enjoy the gaming experience together. Furthermore, the Chronic 85 distinguished itself with its menu-driven interface, simplifying application access for users. This innovation contributed to its popularity across diverse user groups. Despite its discontinuation in mid-1990s, the Chronic 85 remains an iconic figure in personal computing history. It symbolizes the rapid technological evolution that laid the groundwork for today's digital landscape. The Psion Organizer, which debuted in 1984, was the first pocket computer that revolutionized personal organization. With features such as contact storage and scheduling, it set the stage for future handheld digital assistants. Additionally, the TRS 80 color computer, released in 1980, offered vibrant graphics and a full keyboard. This made computing accessible in homes across America, achieving over 200,000 units sold in its first year alone. In the same vein, the K-Pro 2 emerged in 1982 as a portable powerhouse, ideal for word processing and data management. Despite its premium price, it gained notable traction, with over 150,000 units sold. Lastly, Toshiba's T100, launched in 1985, was a pioneering laptop that reshaped the concept of portable computing. Featuring impressive battery life and a sleek design, its legacy is seen in generations of laptops that followed.